Hi everybody, patch logs. So suppose you want to play like a house beat on TidalCycles. So I have channel 1 and I'm going to S is going to play a sound and stack is going to pick everything inside a list and play at the same time. So I'm going to say bass drum times 2 and snare with a silence before it. So you get the idea. So one thing that I don't like about this syntax is that I have to keep track of like the right bracket and left bracket and all the commas in between. And this can get like very complex, especially when we're doing like nested code and stuff. What I did is I created a function which is basically a Varargs function. It takes whatever is in front of it and it transforms it into a list. And the reason this is so helpful is because Haskell doesn't give you by default that. In fact, it's kind of hard to make this. It goes against the basis of the Haskell language, which is to be a strongly typed language. And if you have Varargs, then you really don't know like what's coming in. So so this is how you would use that. I have S stack and I have a list. And here I can say BD2 and SN2. Okay, yeah. So this can be helpful, like if you want to add a lot of stuff. So maybe so the current caveat of this is that you can really just drop it as is. So if I wanted to say s dot stack and then L and whatever is inside here, this would work, but it would not let me pass in any other functions. So like gain 0, for instance. And the reason for that is because it's Haskell thinks this is a parameter for the L function. The second caveat is that I can't just pipe this here. I think I cannot. So this is the implementation. I basically stole this code from somewhere on the internet. I'm trying to understand like what this code really does. I know it's a type class definition that basically picks, grabs whatever argument is in front and transforms it into a function which also receives an argument, and that's how it pipes the entire list altogether. But like, I wonder if there's a way to maybe, I don't know, partially apply a function like these to receive another function like stack or like cat or something. And this could be a possible solution to the first caveat, which is like we cannot combine this function with other functions. If that works, like this can be very helpful and it will dry up the syntax a lot and make it a lot more manageable, I think. So yeah. Thanks for tuning in.